Hi guys, hope you are well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to take a look at Dogecoin. Before we begin the video, as always, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will leave two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with the trades we are taking in the premium group. And secondly, a link to our website where you can find out more information about the premium group and also check out all of our verified results of the trades we have given there. So looking at Dogecoin, starting here on the weekly chart, we can see that we are massively down from the all-time high, which was in the early part of 2021. So a couple of years ago, trading at like 90% down from that level. But we can see that this chart actually looks quite attractive. Pretty much potentially a bottomed out situation here, as long as we're holding above sort of 0.05, 0.055 on weekly closures, then we can always assume at some point another pump. So there's good opportunity here as long as this holds for really quite a big medium to long term swing trade really. Looking at the daily chart here, we can see that since we had a big pump just before the FTX situation, and since that we've been trading in this daily range really, which we did recently lose. We did close a day below this, so we can see if we look at this a bit closer how each daily candle had closed within this range. Just recently we did wick down and close a few days below, but it does look like that has been flipped now. So although this looks like quite a narrow range, it actually gives us a potential range to trade of around 60%. So assuming that this does hold, and it looks like we are about to backtest this actually, then we can always look to take a swing position back towards the highs and give us a potential 60% move all the time that this daily level is holding. Of course, if we start to accept back below, close below, then you can cut the trade early. But considering how big this range is, it wouldn't be the worst idea to take a position around this area, down to these lows at sort of 0.065, looking, as I said, to target the highs. If we run the volume profile just over this range as well, because this runs all the way back from November, we can see how, so we're likely, if we did take a position here, we're likely to face the first resistance at the developing range value area low, and we can see that it's been resistance a number of times throughout May. But even so, taking a position here does give us a potential move of sort of 10% just to that first resistance, assuming that this holds. And then of course after that we can look to take a trade back towards the value area high area here. Of course that as I said, we got a potential 60% swing by taking a position from here up to target these highs, but we do need to be careful right now of Bitcoin dominance. I've been mentioning this a lot this week, and we did break above the 50% for the first time in a long time, actually for the first time in 2 years. This does now seem to be holding as support, and looking at the chart here, it seems we definitely could be heading towards 57% dominance up to test these previous lows here. So areas we've not seen in well over 2 years. And that's why obviously we've seen such a move from Bitcoin this week, but altcoins are really hit hard. If we do see this continue to move up, then we are likely to see a further pull down in alt. So you've got to be careful taking positions here. But as I said, if you're looking for something for a medium term swing, medium to long term swing, around these lows, 0.06, 0.065, not a bad place to look to position on Dogecoin, especially considering that when Elon tweets, this can often have random pumps out of nowhere, which we've seen many times before, and back in 2021 as well. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know if you're holding Dogecoin or what your thoughts are on this coin in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next one.